I revived my dried brittle hair to this well moisturized and hydrated hair using okra as my main ingredients. So guys, in today's video I am just going to be showing you how I made this okra. This video is a part of the video that I uploaded yesterday, and I promised I was going to show the pre-poo that I used. So here I am just going to be showing you how I made the pre-poo. So guys, my main ingredient is okra. Now okra helps to soothe scalp irritation, it helps with detangling, makes detangling super easy, it helps to coat the strands and lock in moisture, it also helps to add shine and softness to the hair. Then the second ingredient is flaxseed. Now flaxseed helps to hydrate the hair. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which helps to strengthen the hair. It helps to boost shine and softness as well, and above all it encourages hair growth. Okay, so both okra and flaxseed helps to strengthen our hair strands, making it resistant to breakage. Now I'm going to be adding my water. I just eyeball the quantity. If you want a thicker gel, you could add less water, and light gel you add more water. Just depend on the consistency that you're going for. Then I'm going to bring it to a boil. I'm going to just be boiling it on a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. What I'm looking for is a jelly consistency like so. So once I've gotten the consistency that I'm looking for, I will bring it down and then I will strain it. Okay, so guys, remember that you can keep this leftover and use it as a deep conditioner in your next wash day, or even now. Like you could use it as a detangler, you could use it as a deep conditioner, however you want to use it. Okay, don't have to trash it. That is if you have a steady light, a steady power supply, but me I don't, so I'm just going to be trashing it. So this is what my gel was looking like, right? And now I am going to be removing the one that I'm going to be using for my pre-poo treatment. Yeah, I'm just going to share them because I'm using part as my pre-poo treatment, and the rest I'm going to be using it as a leave-in spray. If you watched that video yesterday, you saw, and you know the leave-in spray that I'm talking about. So I'm just going to be showing you how I made that one also in this video, because I made it using this okra and flaxseed mix. So what I'm doing now is just pouring the one that I'm going to be using as my pre-poo into my container of choice, into my applicator bottle, right? And here, this is what it looks like. And when I tell you that this body is a body, right, like it will help moisturize your hair, bring dry hair back to life. If you're not using any other thing, if you're using only this one, I promise you are good to go. But then the other half of the gel, we are going to be mixing it with shea butter and oil, and combine it together to give us the leave-in spray that I used in that video. So now the okra gel is still hot, and I'm going to just be dropping the shea butter inside, and I'll use the hotness of the gel to melt my shea butter. Okay, so if your gel is no longer hot or as hot as it should be, just place it on a double boiler and melt it completely. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my oil, and this is the oil that I added. It is coconut oil. Okay, you can add any oil of your choice, trust me. You can use olive oil, almond oil, whichever oil that your hair loves. The next thing I'm going to be doing now is to whip it together. So we know that oil and water does not mix, right? But we are going to just be using this immersion blender. I prefer this immersion blender because of it has like a high power. I don't know I'm going to put it, but the force is better than the regular hand mixer. So I'll just use it to blend this for a couple of seconds, or even like 2 or 3 minutes, and then this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to pour this inside my applicator bottle. So now, instead of using like the cover that I use in this video, you could actually use like a spray cover right? And that will be easier to use. I mean, to make the application of this easier. Okay, so now I'm just showing you the consistency of this thing. It's so light but so moisturizing, I promise you. So I was able to use this to prepare my children's hair, like both of them. I used it on their hair, like I used it to loosen the hairstyle they had on, and detangle their hair thoroughly before going to the shower to wash their hair. And I tell you guys, like, it works wonders, both as a pre-poo or as a leave-in treatment, however you wish to use it. All right guys, so with that, we've come to the end of this video. Like, I'm going to be leaving the full video showing how I applied it up here, so you guys can check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All right, comment your favorite part in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. My name is Favor. Please take care of yourself, and bye.